Hallo maatjies, hallo boys and girls. Is julle gereed om Afrikaans te leer? Are you ready to learn Afrikaans? Vandag gaan ons op 'n prettige leeravontuur. Today we are going on a fun learning adventure. Welkom almal na vandag se Afrikaanse les. Vandag gaan ons les oor wilde diere. Welcome everyone to today's lesson. Today we are going to learn about wild animals. Kan jy wilde diere sê? Can you say wilde diere? Baie mooi maatjies. Is julle gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. Let's begin. 3, 2, 1. Kom ons leer. Wow! Kyk na hierdie prentjie. Wow, boys and girls, have a look at this picture. Wat is dit? What animal is this? Dit is 'n olifant. This is 'n olifant. Olifant beteken elephant in Engels. Olifant means elephant in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say the word together. Olifant. Fantasties maatjies. Baie goed. Very good. Sjoe, kyk hoe lank is hierdie wilde dier. Wow, look at how tall this animal is. Wat is dit? What is this? Maatjies, dit is 'n kameelperd. This is a kameelperd. Kameelperd means giraffe in English. Kameelperd is 'n giraffe in Engels. Kom ons sê die woord saam. Let's say the word together. Kameelperd. Pragtig maatjies, fantasties. Watse dier is hierdie maatjies? What animal is this, boys and girls? Dit is 'n aapie. This is 'n aapie. Aapie beteken monkey in Engels. Aapie means monkey in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Aapie. Pragtig maatjies. Amazing, boys and girls. Wat is die? What is this? Maatjies, het jy al Lion King gekyk? Boys and girls, have you watched Lion King before? Have you seen Pumbaa in The Lion King? Het jy al Pumbaa gesien in The Lion King? Maatjies, Pumbaa is 'n vlakvark. Boys and girls, Pumbaa is 'n vlakvark. Vlakvark means warthog in English. Vlakvark beteken warthog in Engels. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Vlakvark. Maatjies, nou weet julle wat om vir Pumbaa te noem in Afrikaans. Boys and girls, now you know what to call Pumbaa from The Lion King in Afrikaans. Hy is 'n vlakvark. Wat is die maatjies? What is this? Maatjies, hierdie is 'n leeu. Boys and girls, this is a leeu. A leeu is a lion in English. A leeu is 'n lion in Engels. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Leeu. Pragtig maatjies. Hierdie is 'n buffel. This is a buffel. Buffel beteken buffalo in Engels. Buffel means buffalo in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say the name of the animal together. Buffel. Super duper maatjies. Hierdie wilde dier hou van die water. This wild animal likes the water. Hierdie is 'n seekoei. This is a seekoei. Seekoei means hippopotamus in English. Seekoei beteken hippopotamus in Engels. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Seekoei. Shoo! Kyk hierdie wilde dier se horings. Wow, look at this wild animal's horns. Hierdie is 'n renoster. This is 'n renoster. Renoster beteken rhinoceros in Engels. Renoster means rhinoceros in English. Kom ons sê die naam saam. Let's say the name together. Renoster. Hierdie een hou van bome klim. This one likes to climb on trees. Hierdie is 'n luiperd. This is 'n luiperd. Luiperd beteken leopard in Engels. Luiperd means leopard in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Luiperd. Super duper maatjies. Amazing work, boys and girls. Hierdie is 'n volstruis. This is a volstruis. Volstruis means ostrich in English. Volstruis beteken ostrich in Engels. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Volstruis. Hierdie een hou van bome klim. This one likes to climb trees. Hierdie is 'n bobbejaan. This is a bobbejaan. Bobbejaan means baboon in English. Bobbejaan beteken baboon in Engels. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Bobbejaan. Shoo! Kyk net hoe oulik is hierdie diertjies. Hierdie is 'n meerkat. This is a meerkat. Meerkat beteken meerkat in Engels. Meerkat means meerkat in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Meerkat. Fantasties. Hierdie is ons nasionale dier. This is our national animal in South Africa. Hierdie is 'n springbok. This is a springbok. Springbok is 'n springbok in Engels. Springbok is a springbok in English. Kom ons sê dit saam. Let's say it together. Springbok. Fantasties. Shoo, maatjies. Wow, boys and girls. Julle het so baie nuwe Afrikaanse woorde geleer. Wow, you've learned so many new Afrikaans words. Kom ons oefen hulle weer. Let's practice them again. Luister gou mooi. Listen carefully. Olifant, leeu, vlakvark, aapie, kameelperd. Again, olifant, leeu, vlakvark, aapie, kameelperd. Okay, boys and girls, I'm now going to say the words slowly so that you can repeat the word after me. Olifant, leeu, vlakvark, aapie, kameelperd. Luister gou mooi. Listen carefully. Volstruis, bobbejaan, meerkat, springbok. Luister gou weer. Listen again. Volstruis, bobbejaan, meerkat, springbok. I'm going to say them slowly so that you can repeat after me. Volstruis, bobbejaan, meerkat, springbok. Luister mooi. Listen carefully. Buffel, seekoe, renoster, luiperd. Again. Buffel, seekoe, renoster, luiperd. Try repeating the word after me. Buffel, seekoe, renoster, luiperd. Dit bring ons aan die einde van ons Afrikaanse les oor wilde diere. That brings us to the end of our Afrikaans lesson about wild animals. Julle was fantasties. Boys and girls, you were absolutely fantastic. Vandag het ons so baie nuwe woorde geleer. Today we learned so many different words. Onthou, oefen, lees en sê julle Afrikaanse woorde gereeld. Remember to practice, read and say your Afrikaans words regularly. Hoe meer jy oefen, hoe beter word jy. The more you practice, the better you become. Is julle gereed vir die volgende les? Are you ready for the next lesson? Net voordat ons gaan, maatjies, herhaal gou na my. Just before we go, boys and girls, repeat after me. Ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Again, ek is 'n Afrikaans ster. Always remember, boys and girls, you are each Afrikaans stars. Baie mooi, maatjies. Vandag het ons so lekker geleer. Baie dankie dat julle vandag saam met my geleer het. Thank you for learning with me today. Maatjies, boys and girls, wat is jou gunsteling dier? Wat is jou gunsteling wilde dier? Boys and girls, think about it. What is your favorite wild animal? Dink bietjie daaraan. Think about it for a few minutes. Onthou, hou aan leer, hou aan glimlag en onthou, Afrikaans is pret. Keep learning, keep smiling and remember, Afrikaans is fun. Totsiens maatjies. Sien julle volgende keer. Goodbye boys and girls. See you next time.